Howdy there guys, this is TechSwerve, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Ravpower Power Station 27,000 milliamp hour portable power outlet. Wow, that was a mouthful. Anyway, basically this is a portable charger that's pretty beastly. It's basically its own AC outlet, and it means you can power a lot of different devices, from fans to laptops to a bunch of different things. So anyway, let's get started with the unboxing video. Not too interested in the actual box itself, so I'll just skip straight on to opening up these tabs. The box actually seems a little bit damaged, which I hope doesn't mean the actual product is damaged. Slide that out there. Oh, that's good. Looks like Ravpower provided us with a nice carry case for the actual item itself. They do that quite a lot, and I'm glad that they've done that in this case as well. So unzipping that, presumably we'll find the product. And there it is. So it comes with a sort of mesh carry case, I guess, you know, to reduce the bulk of having to carry this around if that's not what you actually want to do. Pop that to one side, and okay, this is really high tech. Clearly it's got Velcro to secure everything in place. Let's just Velcro that. Is that even a word? I'm not sure. It is now. So yeah, Velcro that. Pop this to one side. This is the main event. Just a quick overview of the actual documentation. A hello, welcome thing. There's a little card in there that says weekly giveaways. But yeah, they apparently do weekly giveaways. I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but yeah, check that out, I guess. Anyway, so I'm just going to take off this plastic covering from the device itself. To be honest with you, this is remarkably small. I mean, it's got an interesting weight to it. Like it's it's fairly hefty, but considering what it can actually do, it's actually really light. And the only thing I have to compare it with is a toothbrush. So yeah, yeah, it's actually pretty small. So just so you can sort of have an idea. Okay, so this is the item. Got a power button here, two USB Type A ports and a USB Type C port. So this can also be used to power your USB-C devices like mobile phones and tablets, but not laptops per se, I don't believe. But I can update the video later on to say if I found anything interesting. Okay, so I've just unclipped this sort of side flap, and this is an EU style plug AC outlet. So this is actually where you plug in the power supply into. And what Ravpower have done is, in the box they include, because I'm from the UK, they include a sort of multi like UK to EU port extender thing. And hold on a second, that doesn't quite look right. Like, that's obviously not going to be able to fit into there. Maybe there's more. Let's hope there's more. Hopefully they've not sent the wrong thing. That would be quite awkward and quite annoying, actually. Let's have a look. Let's open up this one. Okay, this is for charging the device itself. And this plugs into here like so. I'm actually very perplexed as to what's actually going on here. Right, let's just keep opening some packaging to see if there's anything that will point me in the right direction as to what's going on here. Because this should have been an EU to UK, but this is like a UK to like anything else, and that's not very useful. It's interesting that it comes with an actual a UK power socket for itself, but not for anything else. I'm taking a look at the box, there's nothing else, so I'm a bit annoyed actually. So that's not very convenient now, is it? God damn. Guess who's going to return this? This guy, that's it. Right. Yeah. I guess that's it. Slightly disappointed, but yeah.